Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? You know when I stand in front of this camera, you know what time it is, and I appreciate you coming back each and every time. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along with the music, I'll post the video at the very end. Also, guys, make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. It's next year. It will be here before you know it. So you can actually book your room right now. And then June 1st, registration opens this year. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com for details. So this next line dance we're going to teach you is called Leave Your Worries Behind. It's a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Let's go. So let's start at this wall right here, and it's going to start with a front side triple step, and then it's going to step pivot to your left with a coaster step. So step out on your left, step, pivot, coaster step. Okay, 5, 6, 7 on the right, front, side, right, out, left, quarter turn left, triple step. Okay, from here we're gonna move the dance up. We're gonna step right, I do like kind of like a step dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, as you move up, you got to move back, and we're gonna come back with 4 sailor steps. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So we step dipped on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we move it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's put that together, okay? From the top. 5, and remember I told you that the line dance move clockwise. So this will be our next wall over here. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and front, side, right, left, right. Pivot to your left with a coaster step. Step, dip, step, dip, step, dip, step, dip. Sail it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now, we're going to do a step pivot. So the last step was on our left. We're going to step and pivot half with that right. Triple step. Right shoulder come forward. Then we're going to step up on the left. Step, rock, recover, triple step on the left. So the right does a half turn. Step, pivot to your left, triple step, rock, recover on your left with a triple step. Okay? So half turn with our right shoulder coming forward. 1, 2, triple step, 3 and 4. Last step is on your right, and a rock, recover. Rock, recover on the left with a triple step. Okay? All right, so let's put that together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and front, side, right, left, right, quarter left with a triple step. Step dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sail it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step right, pivot left with a triple step. Up left, rock, recover with a triple step. Okay? Now, I said this was a 4-wall dance. This is really our wall right here. But all we're going to do is step pivot 2 quarters with the right, on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do a booty roll to the right. And when we do that, we're going to say hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. And then we do it again. Step, pivot, quarter, step, pivot, quarter, hoo-hoo. And that's the dance. Okay? So, let's put it together. So, we pivot to the left. Step, pivot, quarter, step, pivot, quarter, which is a half. Booty roll to the right and the left. Then do that again. Weight is on the left. Step, pivot, quarter, right shoulder come forward, and do a booty roll. When you do that to the right and the left, that weight is on the right. Look at my right heel is up, and I go back to the top. It's my wall right here, okay? The dance move clockwise. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7 from the top. Front, side, right, left, right quarter, turn left. Coaster step, step dip on the right and the left. On the right and the left, moving it up. We sail it back. 4, 3, 2, step pivot half with a triple. Rock recover on that left with a triple. I left something out. We stay right there. We're going to slide back, slide, then slide up, and slide up. And then we're going to do the quarter turn. So we come back on the right. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, up on the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we pivot, quarter, booty roll, pivot, quarter, booty roll. That's the dance. Yep. From the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quarter left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sail it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Pivot half. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slide. 1, 2, back. 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it right there. That's it right there. I'm going to do it again because we got to add our hoo-hoo. All right, this is a special cut. This music is a special cut. So if you need the music, let me know. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and front, side, triple step, quarter turn, triple step, step dip on the right and the left, on the right and the left. Sail it back, sail it, 2 more, pivot half, triple step, rock recover on the left, triple step, slide back, 1, 2, back for 2, then up for 2. Pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, do it again. And we done. Okay? And you start the dance all over again. So, let me give you the count again. 5, 6, 7, front side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sail it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step pivot half. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My heel is up, my weight is on my left. Start over again, same footwork, same step. No changes, no taps, okay? Leave your worries behind. I'll do the demo so you can get that woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Leave your worries behind. And I also hope you leave your worries behind when you come to the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.